Next one is all about your mixed cost. Okay, mabilis ba? Hindi naman. Mixed cost is a combination of variable and a combination of a fixed cost. O, ano yung mga sample ng ating mixed cost? Yung sinabi niya kanina, ano yan? Utilities. Yan ay mixed cost. Bakit siya mixed cost? Combination of variable and fixed. Ano pa? Kayo ba ay may postpaid plan? Pag kayo ay plan 999, yan ay fixed. Pag nag-excess ng 999, ano yan? Variable na. Okay? Plus, in the mixed cost, we need to separate the variable and fixed. Paano? Using what? Ano bang discuss sa inyo during your undergrad? Number one, your high-low method. Tama? Hopefully, ano ba ito? Na-refer nyo ba yung high-low? Tama ba? Yes? Yes. And number two is you have your least square regression. Least square regression. So, we discuss muna one by one. We will issue muna the high-low method. Okay, compare. Okay na ba ito ano? Or compare, or ano nyo muna? Itsara nyo muna, sige. We'll discuss first about high-low method. Yun na lang. Doon ako mag-insulat. Least square regression. Regression. Okay na. Sige. Erase ko na ito, ha? Okay. Plus, ano pa yung discussion nyo about your high-low method? Plus, what do you mean plus of your high-low method? Okay? High-low method. Plus, first of all, we compute first for our variable cost per unit. How do you compute for the variable cost per unit using the high-low method? Ano bang sinabi sa inyo during your undergrad? Di ba? Ito yung formula natin, di ba? Highest cost, tama? Highest cost minus lowest cost. Tama ba ito, class? Divided by highest activity minus lowest activity. Tama ba? Ito ba yung discussion nyo during your undergrad? Yes or no? Highest cost minus lowest cost divided by highest activity minus lowest activity. Tama? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no?